Hello and welcome to the big question with SNG. Today's big question is, what are your favorite funny galis?
Well, all galis are funny, so
All
that's kind of
galis are funny,
redundant, right?
yes.
I mean, what's a gali that's not funny?
Like when you mean it.
Yeah, when you mean it.
Like when you mean it, it's not funny.
So we would call each other everything in school. मतलब दुनिया का most creative गाली तू कचरे के डब्बे के टट्टी के माँ का भाई ये सब निकल रहा है. But हाँ नहीं हाँ वो बच्चे लोग हैं हम लोग यार. मतलब this was like 11-year-old. But किसी ने गलती से किसी को हरामी बोल दिया. It was like a fist fight.
My
To
favorite
harami
school,
and it
my
stops.
favorite school gali was donkey, monkey, elephant, cow sitting in the bathroom eating pulao.
Wow.
This is kindergarten. What first standard?
You've never had this? You've never heard
No,
this?
I've never heard this.
You've never heard donkey, monkey?
Wait,
I've
where-
heard donkey, monkey, fool.
Okay,
And then it ends.
what-
Stupid idiot you've heard. Stupid idiot.
हाँ.
What standard was this? What age was this?
I don't know, like second standard?
Dude, at that time we had some like chipkili ki chooth. You guys had, did
In
you
the
guys have
second
that?
standard, you had chipkali ki chooth.
Maybe
That's
second, maybe
amazing.
third. But every school had a version.
chipkali ka
कि
something.
Chipkali ka something gali.
छिपकली के पसीने के.
And here's the thing, like why? What has the the chipkali literally just sits and eats flies. Like,
What is a chipkali?
No, I'm saying, is it?
no, wait.
स्कूल बहुत साफ है.
Are you serious?
No,
Yes.
your pronunciation. What is a chipkali?
What is a
It's a
chipkali?
chipkali.
Chipkali.
It's a gecko.
So I'm saying that, but those have evolved, right? Like those things from donkey, monkey, elephant, cow, it became like, ये साले पूरी क्या लंड फेंक के मारूंगा पूरी खानदान चुत जाएगी. Like you're going.
Wow.
वो है कि boomerang. I
Like
don't
there's
know क्या
that.
हो रहा है.
And then there was
खानदान
one. There's none of these have been invented by me. The only one that's invented by me is AIDS pulao that we all know. Okay.
Which is not a
even
gali. Yeah.
not-
It's
No,
just a
for-
pulao that you don't want to eat.
No,
Like,
for
now that's it's-
for Neville, it's just conversation filler.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like, hey guys, I've not said something in a long while.
It's
It's pilao.
I think
It's my turn.
I think Neville figured out if he said these two words together, people would look at him. Like, बोलने का मेरे को.
Dude, you know, Ali.
Okay, but good point. Were galis a way of getting attention?
Sorry, wait, before you, let's go on to that. Before we do that, I have to tell you about. So Neville, okay, directed my special.
Oh, no.
Okay, and he was put on a WhatsApp group with people who hadn't met him before.
Oh.
So we're discussing stuff about the special. Hey, Neville, can you tell us about the cameras? What cameras do you want? Neville's like, yeah, I want these cameras and also AIDS pulao. And Sneha, the production manager, she's like, does he really want that?
Wow, imagine producer going out like, sir, आपके पास AIDS पला है क्या?
Just to watch that. No, okay, so there's one visually creative gali that I like. I'm sure that somebody really creative came up with it, okay?
That sounds so different from poor. doesn't
Poor,
it?
yeah.
This is the gali.
But actually, creative and poor equal.
Too much hype is happening now.
Okay, here it is.
Yeah,
It's
it'll be a
visually,
shit gali, yeah.
No, it's visually really nice. It's like छतरी गांड में घुसा के खोल दूंगा.
Oh yeah, I've heard this.
So I'm just saying the visual.
That's really
I
nice.
don't think that is a gali that you want to give someone. It's just the visual that you want to
That's
create.
right. Such a much
No,
better
that's
way of
great.
saying gun fart.
Are all galis a cry for attention?
No.
They're not cry for attention.
People who give galis really loudly are usually people
Okay,
who
let
want
me just break this down. Okay, I've had this thought about galis specifically, especially in stand-up comedy. Like, so there's this thing about, hey, comedians just go on stage and give galis and people laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so I wondered, like, what is it what a gali that makes people laugh? And I realized what is it about a gali?
Inappropriateness.
Exactly, it's not. So we've all come together as society and made these rules, right? These norms of society. One of them is if you cannot curse in front of your family, which means you should not curse at all. You would not say these things in front of your family at a family event. So which means you should.
So
not
when
do-
you collectively hear something like this, we all
Karan
laugh.
at his wedding just suddenly going, AIDS bulao, chipka lenge.
yeah, no, exactly. So now if someone did that, that'd be funny for many.
But Karan, I would actually, if somebody were to like suddenly get up at his wedding and swear, Karan would be the only one laughing.
Yeah,
His
yeah.
ass off.
Yeah.
No, Karan would be the one doing it.
Yeah, no, or I'd be like, why did I do
Karan's
that?
wedding, Karan वहाँ पे बैठा है and the mantra पढ़ रहा है. The guy is actually reading the mantras and we are only looking at Karan. And Karan, for some reason,
losing
is
his
staring at the fire. And I think Karan thought of something stupid in his head. And then Karan ऐसे शादी चल रही है. His wife is serious. Everything is happening. And Karan just goes. Beavis and Butthead.
Because in my head, I was like, he could be reading a Shiv Sagar menu. No one would know. Like, I was like, what is he saying?
Okay, coming back to galis.
Yes.
Yeah, let's get back to topic.
No. So here's is there a phonetically perfect gali?
No, I think there are certain words that come together. It just sounds funny. You know,
Yeah.
Lund is one of them. We say Lund, people laugh. And you see, you're laughing just because I said
Pad.
it.
Pad is very funny.
I like the word boob.
Boob.
It's got such a nice rounded boob.
Yeah.
The boob is essentially it is if the
Palindrome.
capital B is view from the top, the two O's are views from the front, and the small b is view from the side.
I heard
so
this.
it's just a perfect
It's a
word.
perfect word.
Yeah, apparently.
Also, it's funny,
Also-
right? Because boob has two meanings. One is obviously breast, but if you call it like, hey, Neville's a boob.
Yeah.
I'm not calling you a breast.
Yeah.
I'm calling it like someone of lower IQ than perhaps most people.
There's a bird. There's
I
a
don't know.
bird.
Is there something? Boobs are dumb.
Boobs are dumb.
There's a bird called the booby. And the
There
first-
is
Yeah,
one. What
yeah.
does it look like?
It looks like a bird.
This is how much research goes into a podcast.
Did you think it was a flying tit?
Dude, so in the 9th standard, our geography teacher goes, one of the birds in this country is called the Great Indian Bustard.
See what I mean?
What is this low class SSC school you went?
No, but see what I mean?
See, motherfucker.
No, this is why. See what I mean? When you say something like bustard in a biology class or whatever class, people is already laughing. It's funny. Dude, during sitting in biology, during reproductive organs, we had like,
Reproductive system.
all whatever it was.
This is the vagina.
Dude, she had to explain sex to us. Sex, intercourse, not sex. It's called intercourse is when the penis enters the vagina. And then there was this moment where it was like, you heard these sounds all over, like 55 people were our language has already become really, really informal.
Yeah.
And then today you have, Jackie Shroff, man, Maushichi Gand.
It's such a
Tell me
great-
you do not laugh at that shit.
I laughed my ass off.
It's
so
really good.
You know what made it funny?
What?
It's also repetition. Because in that video, right? It's his go-to. It's his AIDS
No,
pulao.
okay.
Right?
So
like
one
it's
second,
his
one second.
go-to.
No. Like AIDS pulao makes things awkward when Neville randomly says it. I think it is the comedian saying gali on stage and people laughing also has something to do with the emotion behind it. The comedian is coming through with an emotion that is frustrating him, and that is
I
what
was-
the audience resonates with.
yeah.
I was gonna
Which is
tell
what
you-
I resonate with and Jackie Shroff. Because I've seen that kind of
Jackie Shroff.
Jackie Shroff. Jackie Shroff. Jackie Shroff. And because sometimes you get a script which is just terribly written, and like when I saw that, it's like,
No, that
fuck,
was-
this is how
that
you
was
feel.
funny.
That,
He
that
didn't-
was not a script problem, it was a comprehension problem.
He was reading it and he couldn't, and he was like, Maushichi Gand. Like it was that, right?
No, but I wanted to add to what others said. Absolutely right. Like, ek to, you want to get attention, that is one version
Yeah.
of this thing. But the second version is just frustration. Pure frustration. You know?
Just
It's
like,
fun to
imagine
say
like,
gali.
oh my day was horrendous. Everybody hates me. I hate my life.
Yeah.
My parents are not getting along.
Zhawadia.
Yeah, just one word that
like-
fits everything.
Like,
into-
I'll give you a great example. Like Bombay, right? Like you've been traveling through the
Traffic gully.
Or no, not traffic. I'm saying let's assume that you are a salesperson, right? So you have to go from door to door to door to door in the heat that's there right now, and you probably have to take a bus and a train and
And a
those
bath.
kind of things. All of these things, and you go through this turmoil through the day.
I'm listening.
It's going to end in AIDS pulao.
You just keep cutting to Karan. No. So here's the thing, right? You go through all of this throughout the day, like 9 to fucking 5:36 in the evening.
Yeah.
You come home and you rest up and you just want to rest and eat some food or whatever, and you turn on the fan and that's when your electricity goes away. Like, do you want to say? Yeah, or you want to say mother, you want to scream, right?
Yeah.
That's the power of a guy.
And then move out of Thane.
yeah, because it's load shedding.
we like Thane also. If you are watching in Thane, we
Yeah.
No,
appreciate-
Thane mein
we
nahi.
If you're
appreciate your
watching in
views.
Thane, I meant Dombivli.
Listen, but I mean, like Thane, for example, like it actually means jail, right?
Yeah.
तेरे को थाने लेके
थाने
जाऊंगा.
लेके
He's
जाऊंगा.
not talking about the place, right?
Yeah, there's also a place in Pune called Bhosri.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Imagine there's a lot of pimples, right?
Yeah, Pimpri.
Dude, I love
Pimpri,
those.
but I know people with last name, but it's actually Pimple, not Pimple.
Has anyone in his school time gone and complained that someone's given them a gali?
Oh God!
But like this, okay? This is one kid who went
Teacher, he gave me bad word.
No. दीदी इसने मुझे चूतिया बुलाया. And she's just like mortified.
it's an excuse to be able to say that gali 4 times.
Oh,
You might have said it once. Hey, तू चूतिया है. Teacher इसने मेरे को चूतिया बोला. Supervisor इसने मेरे को चूतिया बोला. Vice principal इसने मेरे को चूतिया बोला. मम्मी इसने मेरे को चूतिया बोला.
मम्मी ने तो
I love those people who like give you like a rational reason for why they are chutias. हाँ मैं निकला हूँ चूत से इसीलिए मैं चूतिया होता
मैं cesarean
Like I was once conducting an acting workshop for a group of school kids. We were doing like I don't know, we were doing them a favor or something, stuff like that. And क्या हुआ था? We were supposed to express ourselves. One exercise, बुड्ढे. One exercise was the kids were supposed to come and then express them. Wow, express themselves.
He said 8th falafel lunch.
Yeah. तो सब बच्चों को हम लोग ऐसे वन बाय वन ऐसे लाइन बना के they were coming in like talking to each other and so they, at one point one kid suddenly called the other one to haramkhor and everybody is like
Explosion.
हाँ मतलब इसने क्या एटम बॉम्ब फोड़ दिया वहाँ पे and we didn't know how to react because हम लोग को हंसी आ रही है at this point of time.
So I'll tell you some.
And it's like तूने कहाँ पे सीखा? Watchmen.
Sometimes I think the genesis of creativity for great galis, or at least the construction of them, comes from a state of desperation.
No, also
I'll tell you why. I'll give you an example. When I used to go to college, I'm telling you.
Deep into
Yeah.
No, but he's right. He's right.
Genesis has been used in the sentence.
Not
Yes.
desperation. It's a
It is a state
level
of
of
it has to be.
frustration, yeah.
So here's the thing, okay? This is funny. There's no gali in this, but just the situation, okay? I used to take the train to Jain every morning from Andheri.
Sorry.
Yeah. So when we crossed Mahim, everybody used to be shitting on the road, right? So these guys, all in the compartment who are
Shitting on the
hanging
tracks.
on the track, sorry. So all these guys who are in the compartment hanging or whatever, they would be like, lal kala pila, tadan tan tadan, gulabi hara neela, like as they passed Mahim. Now I'm saying in that to make light of that, that sardines that they sort of came up with this. There's tons of this. Like there's one guy. Okay, and he's an ad film director. His driver is just ridiculously funny. Okay, so once what happened is they were driving towards Bandra from like Kandivali or whatever it is, and the car behind there's traffic, right? So the car behind this driver's car, okay, just is going on horning like he's just honking throughout, right? He's just going bam, 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 bam. Finally there was some room, so this guy moved aside and let this guy go. And now as he went past, he said, बांद्रा में लंच चूसना है तो कांदेली से क्या वेट आई डोंट थिंक
बांद्रा में लंच चूसना है तो कांदीवली से मुंह खोल के आएगा क्या?
Great. Oh my god, dude.
but I'm saying,
Visual of it just
but that's what I'm saying. It comes in a moment of frustration that you create this gem.
This dude has lived with that guy for years,
there was-
waiting for one day to let it out.
Another example to teach a lesson is, so this happened in an office and someone told me about it, where there was this girl who was in office, she was working, and
Was she hot?
she was hot
Yeah.
so
I'm getting to it.
so there were two guys sitting, and one of them is checking her out like in the middle of a conversation, like you and me are working, he's just going like that, okay? So when to break it, the other guy said, bathroom tak chhod ke aayega kya usko? Like I'm saying now, he's never going to forget that, it's going to stay with him, saying
Yeah,
don't
Scott.
stare.
Yeah.
So I think that is the virtue. I think a good gali is virtuous if it is born out of desperation, releases your tension,
And happens
is
at the
spur of
moment.
the moment,
Yeah.
and teaches a lesson. Like if the perfect
Maybe
gali
it's
can
on the
do- has
right
to do
side
that.
of the argument.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Also,
Have to
and
be the superhero.
it doesn't
Yeah.
need cursing. Like when I remember playing football and outside my school, and there was this big pile of cow dung, and one guy stepped in it, and literally, like it was almost cakeish, like a clean,
Yeah.
Fresh.
Perfect.
yeah. And so everybody came like, hey, cake kata isne, cake kata ke. So there was no gali there, but everyone
I have a
congratulated.
feeling there's also a bonding element
Yes.
in galis. Like it's a truly it's like
I save my good galis for my friends.
Yeah.
Like it's like, ये रास्ते के आदमी को like why should I give something that's so precious to a stranger?
Like I have a old friend, and I don't know how this happened. We have a thing where we talk to each other after a year or so. Haven't spoken in forever.
Yeah,
and
you
then one
just
of us
insult
and
the
we have
father.
we have this weird thing where we say Tapan Madharchod.
What?
Tapan Madharchod. And it's funny. We both just laugh. And I don't know. I can't remember how it got started. Where it came from. There was a guy called. They're like, you know, something. Maybe someone. We saw someone called Tapan, and we're like, what kind of name is Tapan? First of all, must be a Madharchod. So,
Okay, one big point: Hindi versus English.
oh yeah,
Gali.
English
Much worse.
actually can be used in a positive way, but Hindi can never be. Like for example, if you can do dirty talk in
Yeah,
English,
yeah.
you cannot do dirty talk in
No,
Hindi.
you can do filthy talk.
Dude,
in
all Bhojpuri songs are dirty talk in Hindi.
Dude, I have yet to meet a woman who gets turned on by Hindi or Bhojpuri dirty
What are
talk.
you saying? Really? Hindi dirty talk? You've not met anybody?
No.
Wow. Cameras off.
I'll forget the women. I myself, I'll turn myself off.
No.
Yeah.
If
It's
done
so,
right.
it's so sleazy.
If done right.
It's so sleazy. Like,
Example, chal, if done
okay,
right.
okay.
What is
I
the
want
done
to-
right
yeah, yeah,
example?
for
level?
every-
There's
Then
no way I'm
don't
doing
start the
No, no,
topic
you-
if you don't want to
fuck
finish
you,
and
I
deliver.
this shit.
I don't know how you can get turned
Yeah,
on
so you can't defend your point right now. if
by
you can't.
saying "Mera
Yeah.
learned."
No, it's not about that, right? It's about the context of the role play. To me, dirty talk can be done successfully if the role play is contextual and both people enjoy it.
We would like an example.
It's not an example if Hindi
The role
galis
play
don't-
is
Suppose
Okay.
I am your.
No,
No,
that's
no,
not
no.
how it works. Let me explain this to you.
Let's do this. Let's load. Wait, guys, hold on. Let's end this podcast on this. You need to give us something in your defense, some line.
Yeah,
Look,
there is
we are
no-
not going to judge it. What we'll say,
Yeah.
we'll throw it to the people who are watching the podcast.
Yeah.
And to the ladies, guys, excludes.
No way. I'm not
Relax.
giving you an example. I'm telling you,
You
the
are.
context in,
In fact,
which it
in
works.
fact, we'll just give you his number. You call him.
Yeah, उसको phone करके
Listen,
बताओ.
either you concede to what we're saying.
Yeah.
I concede. I don't have a problem conceding.
So that means you are not a man of conviction.
Yes.
Sure.
You are not.
You are- you are-
should get your tubes tied.
sure.
That's my insult to you,
Sure.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
You are
And
not-
on that note,
No, one second. I
No,
think
that's
the
a
way
terrible
we can
note.
end it. I think the way
No,
we can
you
end
have
it
to
is-
Neville tying
let's
his tubes is a
create-
terrible note.
let's create it. Let's create a gali
I
that
do
has
what?
never been done before.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
everyone
I
give
do
us
this.
one word.
I do this one in one of my songs. It is the driving song where it's just me driving
Oh,
on the
yeah,
street
yeah.
and just attacking people.
Correct.
Yeah.
So one gali that gets a big surprise, and I didn't expect this to happen. It was the stupidest one I thought of. Was मैं टाइम मशीन बनाऊंगा ताकि वापस जाके तेरे बाप का कॉन्डम फटने से रोक सकूं.
That's really good.
I'm saying let's create one with one word at a time. So
Okay.
Karan, Kautuk, Adar, and
I
we
will-
just keep going till we close it. Okay?
It's gonna start with Chipkali and end on Pulao. Like I know this. Let's just fill the other one.
बीच में मटन और ये
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay,
Karan.
let's start. Guy.
guy.
के गोटे.
दबा के
Marinate करके.
Soja.
That's a good one, guys. गाय के गोटे को
दबा
दबा
के-
के मैरिनेट करके सो जा और कल उसका पुलाव बना.
Well done, guys. We just did a gali based on a guy, which is going to be.
No, normal guy.
No, he meant a dude.
No, we meant it, dude. Oh my guy. Oh, this is an English gali, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. What you can do is leave us some of the
Most creative galis you can think of.
Yeah, I know.
Down
let's
in
do
the
this.
comments.
No, I will actually. I am volunteering myself. I will go through the galis. We will do another one. So you guys do this, okay? Leave
Karan,
gali.
we will not do any of
We are
this.
going to do it.
There are people who are dying for t-shirts in 2014.
I will okay. If they don't come to do, I will do it alone. Then I will read the
First of
funniest
all, you're
ones.
so stoned. You're committing to something without knowing.
No, I'm not stoned. I'm just the heroin today.
Yeah, Karan. Yeah, Karan is high on heroin.
All right. Thank you so much. Leave your comments and then blame Karan. Bye,
Yeah.
guys.
Bye.